Hello everybody, and today I will be unboxing these PlayDoh surprise rollouts. Inside of these are little tiny goodies, or surprises if you want to call them that, but I'm just going to get started. I'm just going to start with the red. So this is the first one. Oh my gosh, it's the little Minecraft cat. I have no idea what series it is from, but it's the Minecraft cat. So I'm going to put her right over here. Up to the next PlayDoh surprise rollout. It is a little tiny dumpling, Shopkins. Yeah, pretty cute. And this is the next rollout, and it is Peachy. Nice. She has a little flower on her head, which is kind of cute. And I'm just gonna put her right here. And then we're up to the blue. And this is the first one. And it is Nutty Spaghetti. That's how she looks like right there. Also from Shopkin Season 3. And then up to the second blue. And it is, dropped. Okay, it is this asparagus right there. It's green, and it's from Shopkin Season 3 also. Put her right here. Up to the next one. Oh, okay, it's a little butterfly, and I believe it's a eraser. There it is right there. And we're up to the yellow. And I think it is, yep, it's a sausage. Oh, dropped it again. Okay, that's the little sausage right there. She's also from Shopkin Season 3. And I'm gonna put her right over here next to the asparagus. And then up to the next yellow. Okay, we got the heart right over here. That's a little heart right there. It's also an eraser, and I'm just gonna put it next to the little butterfly. Oh no. The sausage and the asparagus dropped. Okay, there you go. So this is the last yellow surprise. So what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, okay. It's this little candy apple. She's also from Shopkin Season 3. And I'm just gonna put her right over here. Now after we do that, I'm going to show you how to actually make it. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. You just take a piece of Play-Doh of whatever color you want. I'm using blue for this. You take that and you roll it up like a little fat chubby snake. So like that. And after that, you want to take your thumb and then press it down like as flat as you can. And after that, you can take whatever you want and then put it inside. I'm using the little Minecraft cat for this. You put them on its side and then you start rolling. And then after that, you can give it to somebody or whoever you want, and they can start rolling it out for its name called Rollout. And they will be surprised what they get.
This is a